place for the Outstanding Junior Marketing Association of the Philippines. Fourth place goes to garnering a total score of 80.33. The fourth place goes to College of the Immaculate Conception, Nueva Ecija. School garnered a total score of 83.31. And the third place goes to San Beda College of Manila. Okay, now, this school garnered a total score of 87.02. So the second place goes to the La Salle University, Manila. Now, for the Outstanding Junior Marketing Association of the Philippines, garnering a total score of 87.2, the first place goes to the New Era